Hey guys, here's an idea for you. If you guys have some loved ones that you guys want to get some gifts out to, and you don't know what to give them, something special from your heart, if you're creative and artistic, you can do some artwork on, try to think of ideas. In this case here, I'm using a board, this one right here, that I had, and I just distressed it. And my friend had told me that his daughter needed a little place to hang her necklaces. And so he was going to create a board for her. And I said, well, hey, hold on. I've got a board that we can just reuse. And so we did. She's into mushrooms. She loves mushrooms. And she loves the little bearded dragons. And the color of her bathroom is turquoise. So I went ahead and I did the dominant color turquoise and made it colorful for her, and she loves it. And so maybe you can get some ideas, for your loved ones, and they would be so ecstatic about receiving some artistic piece from you. And so yeah, just enjoy. It's a little short clip, and just get some ideas for your loved ones for Christmas, their birthday, or just because.